Now that we have a cast shadow, we can begin to adjust the shadows on our form. In this case, the form is the cat, as well as its accessories. To do this, we will be using clipping masks that will be applied to the animal layer exclusively. Select your animal layer, then go down to the adjustments and pick a solid color from the list. Then press OK. Now, if you hold Alt on the keyboard and hover between your animal layer and the fill layer, when you see a square with a little arrow pointing downwards, you can clip by left clicking. This will clip all the pixels from the fill layer to only be applied on the layer beneath. Just like before, select your layer mask, and with your brush tool, make sure you're painting with black to reveal your animal underneath. Swap the color to white to bring the shadow back. You can press the little curved arrow here on the tools panel, or you can press X on the keyboard to swap between your secondary and primary colors from your palette, which by default is black and white. Remember, white reveals and black conceals. Change the blend mode to soft light. Then, repeat the process by duplicating the layer, selecting the mask, and removing the shadows, one layer at a time. Depending on your scene, like mine, yours may benefit from using the multiply blend mode. You can experiment with the blend modes to find the perfect one for you. Soft light, multiply, and overlay are the main ones you should try first. Remember to adjust the opacity of the layers if the color is too strong, or if you want to add subtleties within your shadow. Oh, and don't forget to add shadows to your accessories. You can make more fill layers to do this, or you could use the same layers. If the color of your shadow feels wrong, you can always change it by double-clicking the fill layer thumbnail and then clicking on a shadow in your scene.